These spooky Jell-O shots are great for kids and adult guests. All you need is your favorite box of Jell-O, ping pong eyeballs, and shot glasses. We don't really care for grape flavors in my house, so I use peach and will add purple food coloring. You will also need some water. Make the Jell-O per the directions on the box. Pour the gelatin in a bowl and add 1 cup of boiling water. Stir well until it is dissolved and allow it to cool. Now add 1 cup of cold water. Fill each glass 3/4 of the way, top with an eyeball, and place in the refrigerator. Refrigerate until you're ready to serve. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.